Choreb Beruach, Sword of the Spirit. Interpreted and narrated by Wendy. Debarim, Deuteronomy Chapter 26. And it will be, when you come into the land which Yahweh your Elohim gives you for an inheritance, and possess it, and dwell in it, that you will take the first of all the fruit of the earth, which you will bring of your land that Yahweh your Elohim gives you, and put it in a basket, and go to the place which Yahweh your Elohim will choose to place his name there. Then you will go to the priest who is in those days, and say to him, I profess this day to Yahweh your Elohim, that I have come to the country which Yahweh swore to our fathers to give us. And the priest will take the basket out of your hand, and put it down before the altar of Yahweh your Elohim. Furthermore, you will speak and say before Yahweh your Elohim, My father was an Arami, about to perish, but he went down into Mitzrayim, and sojourned there with a few. Then he became a nation there, great, mighty, and numerous. Moreover, the Mitzrayim were evil to us, and afflicted us, and laid hard bondage upon us. Therefore, when we cried to Yahweh, Elohim of our fathers, Yahweh heard our voice, and looked upon our affliction, and our labor, and our oppression. Then Yahweh brought us from Mitzrayim with a mighty hand, and with an outstretched arm, and with great fearsomeness, and with signs, and with wonders. So he brought us into this place, and he gave us this land, a land that flows with milk and honey. Now behold, I have brought the first fruits of the land, which you, O Yahweh, have given me. Then you will set it before Yahweh your Elohim, and worship before Yahweh your Elohim. Then you will rejoice in everything good which Yahweh your Elohim has given to you and to your house, you and the Levim and the sojourner who is among you. When you have made an end to tithing, all the tithes of your increase the third year, the year of tithing, and have given it to the Levim, the sojourner, the fatherless, and the widow, that they may eat within your gates and be filled. Then you will say before Yahweh your Elohim, I have brought the set-apart portion from my house. So too I have given it to the Levim, and to the immigrant, to the fatherless, and to the widow, according to all your commandments, which you have commanded me. I have not transgressed your commandments, nor have I forgotten them. I have not eaten from it during my mourning, nor have I taken away from it for the unclean, nor given from it for the dead. I have hearkened unto the voice of Yahweh, my Elohim, according to all that you have commanded me. Look down from your holy habitation, from the heavens, and endow your people, Jashari'al, and the land which you have given us, as you swore to our fathers, a land that flows with milk and honey. This day, Yahweh your Elohim has commanded you to do these customs and guidelines. Therefore, you will keep and do them with all your heart and with all your soul. You have agreed this day, Yahweh will be your Elohim, and to walk in his ways, and keep his customs, and his commandments, and his guidelines, and to hearken to his voice. And Yahweh has claimed you this day to be his treasured people, as he has promised you, and to keep all his commandments, thus to make you high above all nations which he has made, in praise, and in name, and in honor, and that you may be a holy people unto Yahweh your Elohim, as he has spoken.